Welcome back to Matin Expert. Today I'm sharing the best natural home remedy to fight dental plaque and tartar, something safe, effective, and simple. Stick with me until the end because I'll also share a quick tip to keep your teeth healthy for years. What is plaque and tartar? Plaque is a thin, sticky layer of bacteria that forms on our teeth after eating or drinking. If we don't remove it by brushing and flossing, it hardens into tartar, a yellow or brown deposit that makes our teeth look bad and damages our gums. Plaque causes bad breath, gum disease, tooth decay. Once tartar forms, you can't remove it at home, you'll need a dentist. But with the right daily habits, you can prevent plaque from turning into tartar. The first home remedy. The baking soda plus hydrogen peroxide method is my top recommendation. Baking soda neutralizes acids, gently polishes teeth, and reduces bacteria. Hydrogen peroxide kills germs and naturally whitens teeth. How to prepare it? First, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Second, make a smooth paste. Third, brush your teeth gently with this paste for 2 minutes. Fourth, rinse your mouth thoroughly. Important. Use this 1-2 times a week only. Don't swallow. Avoid if you have mouth ulcers or open sores. Supporting daily habits. Even the best remedy works best with strong daily oral hygiene. First, brush twice a day with fluoride toothpaste. Second, floss daily to clean between teeth. Rinse your mouth with plain water after meals. Eat crunchy fruits like apples, carrots, and celery to help clean teeth naturally. Drink plenty of water to keep your mouth hydrated. What to avoid? Some foods and drinks feed bacteria and speed up plaque buildup. Sugary drinks, soda, energy drinks, sticky candies, too much coffee or tea, stains plus bacteria food. Replace them with nuts, cheese, leafy greens, plain water. When to see a dentist? Even with great home care, see a dentist at least twice a year. Signs you need to go sooner. Persistent bad breath, gum bleeding, tooth sensitivity or pain. A dentist can remove hardened tartar and check for early signs of decay. Remember, prevention is easier than treatment. Use this simple remedy once or twice a week. Maintain good daily habits and see your dentist regularly. Your smile is worth it. If you want to learn about another powerful natural health tip, watch my video on the surprising benefit of lemon. It's right here on the screen for the next tip. Click it now and see how something as simple as a lemon can improve your health in just 30 days.